Using a CDN, that is Content Delivery Network for caching, is one of the best ways to improve application performance. It reduces server load, and delivers static or dynamic content faster to users across the globe. Below is a simple, clear explanation of how CDN caching works and how you can use it. A CDN stores copies of your files, for example images, JS, CSS, videos, HTML, API responses in servers located edge locations near the user. So instead of your server handling all requests, the CDN serves cached content. CDNs commonly store static resources like images, JavaScript, CSS, fonts, videos. This is how you load content with CDN with few configurations. You just need to set header with cache control option. Also you can set the max cache age. Flipkart generates fully rendered HTML on the server and sends it to the browser. Browser can render this without any JavaScript. Flipkart uses level rendering and cached HTML at edge locations, which makes first load extremely fast and content visible even on slow networks. You can use Cloudflare CDN, which is most common and easy to use, AWS CloudFront or Google Cloud CDN. 1.